Here you can see our mode very clearly, and this is our micrometer. Okay, as we are a factory to produce this kind of hydraulic hoses for decades of years. So you can see we can provide you our regular models, and we also can customize for you. In the previous picture, you can see that is two shiny black colors DSG 250. That is we customize for one of our customer. So you can see we also can customize the paintings, the crimping range, the voltage, even the die shape. So no matter what kind of special requirements you need to the hose crimping machine, you also can come to us. We can customize for you.